Here's a level 3 type question. We have negative 6 multiplying this bracket. I'm going to use my distributive rule, which tells me the negative 6 is going to come in and multiply both of these terms. So the negative 6 is going to multiply negative 4n. A negative times a positive is negative. 6 times 4 is 24. Negative 24n. Then the negative 6 multiplies this negative 6. That's going to give us positive 36. And then over here, this 4 is going to multiply the negative 3n and multiply the 11. But I'm going to start off multiplying by the negative 3n. Positive times negative is negative equals negative 12n. Then the 4 is going to multiply the 11, giving us plus 44. Don't forget about the plus 88. I'm going to add my like terms, the 44 and the 88, and that gives me 132. Now I've got n's on both sides of this equation, and my goal is to get the n's all alone. So I want to get the n's on one side. I want to get rid of them from one side. I'm going to get rid of the smallest, which is negative 24. To get rid of negative 24, I'm going to add 24. And if I add 24 to the left-hand side, I have to add it to the right-hand side to balance everything out. We're left with 36 is equal to negative 12n plus 24n is plus 12 is positive 12n. And here's my 132. Now I want to get the 12n's all alone. The 132 is stopping that from happening. So I'm going to get rid of the 132 by subtracting it. The 132 is being added to the 12n, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to subtract 132 from both sides. 36, take away 132 is negative 96. I want to get rid of the 12 that's multiplying the n, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to divide by 12, but if I divide the right-hand side by 12, I also have to divide the left-hand side by 12. Negative 96 divided by 12 is, a negative divided by positive is negative, and 8. Negative 8 is equal to n. There is our answer. Back to the program, negative 8 as my answer. I have a negative times a negative is positive, so I have positive 21y. Then the negative 7 multiplies the negative 7, giving me positive 49 is equal to. The negative 4 is going to multiply the 6y, giving us negative 24y. And then the negative 4 is going to multiply the negative 7, giving positive 28, and then minus 69. These two are like terms. I have 28, take away 69 is negative 41. So I'm going to rewrite that as negative 41. In the meanwhile, I want to get the y's on one side of the equation. And I've got more y's on the left-hand side, but I want to get rid of these y's from the right-hand side. To do that, I am going to do the opposite of subtracting 24y. Add 24y to both sides. Plus 24y. That gives us 21 and 24 is 45. Y plus 49 is equal to 28 minus 69 is negative 41. Now I want to get my 45y's all alone. I want to get rid of the 49. I'm going to subtract 49 from the left-hand side. And if I do it from the left-hand side, I also have to do it from the right-hand side to keep it balanced. Then we end up with 45y is equal to negative 41 minus 49, which should be negative 90. I want to get rid of the 45. That's multiplying the y. I'm going to divide both sides by 45. Divide by 45. Divide by 45. If you do it to the left-hand side, you have to do it to the right-hand side. We're left with y is equal to a negative divided by positive is negative. 90 divided by 45 is 2. Y is negative 2, and we put our answer right here. Negative 2, and then we press enter to see if we're right. All right, and that is it for level 3. Have a good day.